Hey everyone, we're back today with a 2010 Mazda 3 and we're going to be replacing one of the front wheel studs. I've already taken the brake and the rotor off. I have a video that shows you how to do that in depth. If you want to go check that out, I'll post the link. What we've done is we've just raised the front passenger side, removed the wheel, brake off, and before I took the brake off, I put the car in neutral and I spun the hub so that the damaged stud right here is between the two mounting bolt holes for the caliper bracket. That way, when we hit this backwards, it has some room to move out of. You may notice that I've removed the brake splash shield. That is gone. It rusted away on me, so I took the whole thing out. What I'm going to do is I'm going to cover, just to protect the studs on either side of the damaged one. That way, if I miss with a hammer, there will be no damage to those. And I'm also going to use another lug on the one that I'm removing. That way, there's no chance of that flying out and going somewhere I don't want it to go. Ready to put the new one in. Got one right here. This car is really convenient in the sense that if I wanted to, I can just put that in there and I can tap that in and then use the lug to pull it in the rest of the way. But I'm going to show you how to do it slightly harder way in case you don't have this option and you're working on another car. So let's put it in, get it snug just so it's straight. Take an old nut that's bigger than, that doesn't technically fit but slides over. Get locking pliers and get your cheater bar, slide that over so it's tight against the ground. Take your lug, and as you tighten it up, it will drive this into the spindle. Okay. You do not need to torque this or tighten it to any kind of ridiculous degree. If you do, you will start to stretch the threads on your new stud and ruin that one too. So now that that's tight, we can back that off. And we're done. Let's just make sure that these threads are good all the way down, that we didn't damage it. If you can do this by hand, that's a really good sign that everything is all right. Okay. That's how you replace a wheel stud on a Mazda 3. That's all for today. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.